Welcome to today's news.
ITBP accepting applications for Constable GD vacancies under sports quota. Check details here. ITBP Recruitment 2025. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force ITBP is accepting online application for Constable General Duty Group C non-gazetted non-ministerial vacancies under the sports quota. Eligible candidates can apply for these vacancies on a temporary basis likely to be permanent up to 11:59 p.m. on April 2. This recruitment drive will fill up the vacancies of 133 numbers, athletes 25 numbers, 11 for males and 14 for females, swimming 7 for males, 0 for female, shooting 7, 2 for males and 5 for females, boxing total number of vacancy 5, 3 for males and 2 for females, weightlifting 7, 3 for males and 4 for female, taekwondo 5, 1 for male and 4 for female, archery 6, 2 for male and 4 for female, gymnastics 6, 2 for male and 4 for female, kabaddi 1, 4 for females, hockey 1 for males, football 1, that is 1 for males, equestrian 1 for males, kayaking 5, 2 for males and 3 for females, canoeing 6, 2 for male and 4 for female, rowing 5, 2 for male and 3 for female, volleyball 1 for male, judo 2, 1 for male and 1 for female, wrestling 2, 1 for male and 1 for female, handball 1 for male only, ice skating 2, 1 for male and 1 for female, powerlifting 1 for male only, kho 10, 5 for male and 5 for female, cycling 14 for male and 0 for female, yogasana 6, 3 for male and 3 for female, pencastilat 1 for male, basketball 1 for male. The vacancies are tentative and may increase or decrease later. The basic pay will be level 3 as per 7th CPC. Rupees 21,700 to 69,100. Candidates should be 18 to 23 years old on April 3 to be eligible to apply for the vacancies. Age relaxation will be applicable to reserved category candidates. The vacancy details, age limit, selection process, eligibility criteria, online registration process, payment of application fee, important dates to remember, process and pattern of examination or interview, and more related details. Candidates are advised to visit the official website at https www.itbpolice.nic.in.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https studyforsure.com. Thank you.